As a full-time photographer with a designated studio space, I am always in need of a variety of backdrops to shoot on. Sometimes I'm shooting on seamless paper, sometimes I'm on dedicated sets and painted walls such as this one. Now, having my studio for over 2 years, I've always wanted some canvas backdrops, but for me the investment was just always too much. I didn't really know if they were gonna benefit me in the way that I wanted to, until I actually came across this company called Clot Studios, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be unboxing not one, not two, but 3 different backdrops from them in the size 7x9. So let's get to it. All right, so I've got my 3 backdrops over here. Let's get these unboxed. I'm gonna try and speed this up a little bit for you guys to check it out, just so we can see exactly what we're working with. Okay, so I've unboxed these, but I haven't fully taken them out. I haven't looked at them yet. I wanna give you guys the first impressions, but as I'm taking them out of the box, what I'm realizing is the material is nice and thick, but they're also not very heavy, so I can easily install this on a roller system and make it really easy so I don't have to constantly set it up every single time. Now, they do come in installed on a wooden dowel already, which is kind of nice to just make sure they stay nice and tight. Okay, so now let's give the first one a look and see what we've got over here. I probably shouldn't be using a knife to take the tape off. Let's see if we can do it the manual way. Yeah, that's definitely the way to do it. ASMR. Okay, so it took me a little bit longer than I thought to put it up because things weren't working, but this blue is absolutely stunning. This is gonna photograph so incredibly well for portraits. Maternity, actually for headshots, I'm absolutely gonna love this. Now this looks fantastic. The texture is great. I love this, I'm super happy. Okay, how about I take this guy down and we quickly check out the other ones as well. Okay, but are you seeing this? This texture on this gray, this is awesome. I love the feeling, I love how it looks. I don't know if I like the gray or the blue better yet right now. And the third one that I got, which you can watch me struggle unbox again, it's gonna be a brown one. So I've got the 3 colors because I know I'll probably use these the most, but I know myself, because these are a pain to put up by yourself, I need to hook these up and have these up permanently, just because then that's the way I'll get the most use out of these. Let's get the next roll up. And last but not least, we have this brown. And to the naked eye, I think this is hands down my favorite one. It's beautiful, it looks like leather. The texture is not too big, but there's so much variety in the patterns that I think it's gonna look super 3-dimensional. This one's my favorite to the naked eye. I'm gonna see how they photograph. So if you wanna check that out, make sure to follow me. And if you are looking at getting some of these canvas backdrops, definitely check out Clot Studios, because at first glance, these guys make some really awesome stuff. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon.